equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, make sure your Dyson SV25 is unplugged and has been turned off for safety. Start by removing the dust canister. Press the release button and pull it away from the main body. This will give you better access to the battery compartment. Next, locate the screws that secure the battery cover. There are typically 2 screws on the back of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew these and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off. You may notice some dust accumulation inside the compartment. It's a good idea to use your soft cloth to clean this area before proceeding. A clean environment will help ensure the new battery fits snugly and operates efficiently. Now, you'll see the battery itself. To remove it, locate the release tab and gently pull it while lifting the battery out. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Take your new compatible battery and align it with the connectors in the compartment. Push down firmly until you hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. After that, replace the battery cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into position. Next, take your Phillips screwdriver and reinsert the screws you set aside earlier. Make sure they are tightened securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. Once the screws are in place, reattach the dust canister by sliding it back into the main body until you hear it click. Now, it's time to test your vacuum. Plug it in and turn it on to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can know the costs upfront. Finally, if you find that the vacuum is still not performing as expected, consider our professional diagnosis without obligation. We can help identify any underlying issues that may not be related to the battery. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the battery in your Dyson SV25. Regular maintenance and timely battery replacement can extend the life of your vacuum, ensuring it continues to perform at its best. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.